Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to discuss an important point in bike maintenance which is generally ignored. I am sure by now you guys have guessed it from the thumbnail that we are going to talk about this key and these locks where sometimes it gets stuck. But before that I want to request you guys to please subscribe to my channel if you have not done already. This will keep me motivated to bring more quality content to you guys. Thank you. Okay, so now back to the topic. So you might have faced this problem where the key sometimes gets stuck in the ignition lock or maybe in the fuel cap, or sometimes it is difficult to pull out. That's the problem. Yeah, I myself have faced a few times problem where the key gets stuck in the fuel cap and it is difficult to pull it out. And what is the first normal human reaction? We use force to pull it out. Friends, using excessive force can damage the internal components of the lock set, so you should avoid that. So now we know the problem is the key getting stuck, or maybe sometimes it is difficult to push the key inside the lock set. The operation is not smooth, if I may say that. Yeah, so that's the problem. Now why does this happen? Like I said, the locks have internal levers and other components which are lubricated from the factory. However, with usage and with time, sometimes moisture seeping in or maybe sometimes water seeps in, this lubricants get dissipated. So the movement of the internal components and the levers, sometimes it a bit rough, or maybe sometimes they get stuck. Hence our key gets stuck, or it is difficult to push the key inside. So now we know the problem and why it is happening. So what is the solution? So the solution is to relubricate the lock set. We will relubricate the lock sets to have that smooth operation again. Friends, I am going to show you 2-3 products today that you can use to relubricate your lock sets. It is the same like we lubricate our chains regularly. It is also important to lubricate your lock sets. So you already see I have two components that you products that you already see are trusty old WD-40. Everybody uses it in case something is stuck or you need a smooth operation. We spray some WD-40 and then the problem is resolved. So you can use the WD-40 in the lock set in case your key is getting stuck. The second product is, it is available on YouTube. I am sure you guys have it in your garage already. Yeah. The second product is silicone spray. This is my favorite. I use this silicone spray in the lock sets whenever I have a problem or the key is getting stuck. Yeah. So you can use silicone spray. However, please be cautious because it is a lubricant. It can attract dirt. So only use small amount of it. Do not spray it inside the lock set, but use it in the key. So I'm going to show you how to use it because my key is also getting stuck. So we will use it. So what I would do generally is first clean the key, and then just keep the key here and spray small amount of on it, both sides. Yeah, once it is done, let me keep it here and then just slowly, gently push it in, pull it in few times. See, it is already changing. It is getting smooth. The key is that do not use a lot of it because like I said, it attracts dirt. So, and clean it afterwards. This should help. You can also rotate, switch it off and see, smooth. You can do it again. Smooth. So this is the second product. Yeah, silicone spray. However, it might be possible that you do not have WD-40 or silicone spray at your home. So what do? Pencil. This is normal pencil, friends, and this pencil lead has got graphite. Graphite is a very good dry lubricant. You can use this to lubricate your lock sets. Yes, and this is like 5 rupees or maybe 5 rupees. Yeah, 5 rupees of pencil. Everybody might have it. The kids use it. My daughter also uses it, so I have borrowed it from her. You can use this pencil. So how to use it? In case the key is getting stuck, what you have to do is sharpen the pencil a bit. You have to just scrape the lead on both sides and just use like I showed you similarly, just put it in, bring it out few times. If it is really acute problem, what you can also do is with a blade or maybe a knife, you can scrape the lead and put it inside the hole, and then again 2-3 times smoothly take the key out and in, and it should help. Yeah, so this is important tip about the lead in the graphite. It is a very good lubricant. Graphite is very good dry lubricant, so you can use it without any problems. So this is all I have, friends. So I have showed you WD-40. My favorite is the silicone spray. This is what I've got it from Amazon, and in case you don't have it, pencil is always the best. Yeah, thank you so much, friends, for watching. I hope you liked this video of mine. If you liked, please share it with your friends. Thank you. Bye.